1. 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Street. Price, $25,500. Located, Summertown, Tennessee. The 2010 Chevrolet Camaro SS Pro Street is a serious street machine built for drivers who appreciate modern muscle with race-inspired performance. Powered by an all-aluminum 6.2-liter V8 engine, this Camaro is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, delivering an engaging driving experience every time you hit the road. Performance upgrades include a BTR Stage 3 camshaft, cathedral port polished cylinder heads, a 102mm throttle body, cold air intake, long tube headers, and a Lingenfelter 2-step system for aggressive launches. A McLeod twin-disc clutch and Hurst short-throw shifter provide crisp gear changes, while the 3.90 rear gears and G-force rear axles help transfer power efficiently. Massive Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires complete the Pro Street appearance and provide excellent traction. The seller notes the car has only a mild tune, making it enjoyable for comfortable cruising while still offering impressive acceleration when needed. Described as used but in like new condition, this Camaro has been carefully assembled with quality performance components. It represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a well-built Pro Street Camaro that combines eye-catching style, dependable engineering, and thrilling performance in one complete package. 2. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Coupe 2D. Price, $40,000. Located, Watertown, New York. The 1969 Pontiac Firebird Coupe 2D is a professionally built Pro Street machine that blends classic Pontiac styling with serious drag racing performance. Finished in striking black with a matching black interior, this Firebird has traveled approximately 7,000 miles since its extensive build and remains in excellent condition with a clean title. Under the hood sits a powerful big block Chevrolet engine backed by an automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake for consistent launches. The car features a fully tubbed body, a professionally installed roll cage, an SNW chassis, a strange 9-inch rear axle with strange axles, Willwood performance brakes, an FTI Stage 4 transmission, and a 4,000 stall torque converter. Recent upgrades include new seats, fresh safety belts, a new windshield, and Hoosier QuickTime Pro rear tires installed last summer. The seller describes it as a great driver that is both reliable and exciting to operate. Although it is not driven very often, the vehicle has been well maintained and remains ready for the street or local drag strip. Trades involving a quality SUV in cash may also be considered. 3. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Roller. Price, $20,000 Canadian dollars. Located, Ottawa, Ontario. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro Drag Roller is an outstanding foundation for anyone planning a dedicated drag racing project or high-performance competition build. Designed around a proven Vantage Alston chassis, this rolling chassis previously carried an 8.50 certification, although the certification has since expired. The seller states the complete race car weighed approximately 2,800 pounds with the driver on board, providing an excellent lightweight platform for serious quarter-mile or eighth-mile competition. Previously powered by a 496 cubic inch Merlin engine running on alcohol fuel, the Camaro consistently recorded impressive 5.84-second passes in the eighth mile while maintaining excellent stability and tracking perfectly down the strip. The body is described as straight and ownership documentation is available. The vehicle is being offered as a rolling chassis, allowing the next owner to install their preferred engine combination and drivetrain. A fully built TH400 transmission can also be purchased separately for an additional cost. The seller is open to trade offers involving trucks, Baja boats, or quality street cars. This Camaro represents an excellent opportunity to own a proven drag racing platform with tremendous performance potential. 4. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D. Price, $8,200. Located, Lexington, Indiana. The 1979 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe 2D offers an affordable opportunity to own one of America's most recognizable sports cars. Finished in attractive blue with a contrasting white interior, this Corvette presents the timeless styling that helped define the late C3 generation. Power comes from a dependable 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth cruising and enjoyable weekend driving. The seller reports approximately 72,000 miles, with additional mileage details shown in the listing photographs. This Corvette has been maintained as a driver and continues to deliver the classic V8 sound and unmistakable road presence enthusiasts appreciate. Whether attending local cruise nights, car shows, or simply enjoying scenic back roads, the car offers a rewarding ownership experience without requiring an enormous investment. The seller is also willing to consider trades involving an older classic car or vintage truck. Overall, this Corvette combines recognizable styling, dependable mechanical components, comfortable driving characteristics, and strong value for buyers looking to enter the classic American sports car market with a budget-friendly purchase that can be enjoyed immediately while allowing room for future personalization if desired. 5. 1968 Dodge Dart Pro Street. Price, $70,000. Located, Thompson, Connecticut. The 1968 Dodge Dart Pro Street is an exceptionally powerful Mopar built to deliver impressive street performance while maintaining outstanding overall presentation. Finished in an elegant triple black color combination, this Dart features black exterior paint, black interior, and matching trim for a bold and aggressive appearance. Under the hood sits a massive 500 cubic inch Indy engine connected to a dynamic automatic transmission with a 3,500 stall torque converter, providing tremendous acceleration and reliable power delivery. The drivetrain also includes a strange Dana 60 rear axle with 4.10 gears, four-wheel disc brakes, a professionally installed 4-link suspension, full-tubbed rear section, and a trans brake for maximum traction during hard launches. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives exceptionally well, making it suitable for both cruising and performance events. Every component has been selected to support serious horsepower while maintaining drivability and durability. The seller may also consider Mopar trade offers. This Dodge Dart represents an outstanding opportunity for collectors and performance enthusiasts searching for a professionally built pro street classic that combines legendary Mopar power with outstanding craftsmanship and unmistakable muscle car appeal. 6. 1969 Dodge Dart. Price, $90,000. Located, Midland, Ontario. The 1969 Dodge Dart is a remarkable street and strip machine built to an exceptionally high standard with outstanding attention to detail throughout. Power comes from a 340 cubic inch engine professionally stroked to 426 cubic inches and topped with a massive 671 BDS supercharger, creating an aggressive combination capable of producing impressive horsepower. The engine is backed by a durable 727 automatic transmission and a strong 4.30 rear end, delivering outstanding acceleration while remaining suitable for both street driving and drag strip competition. Beyond its impressive mechanical specifications, the seller describes the body, paint, interior, and chrome as absolutely mint, reflecting the extensive care invested in the restoration and overall presentation. Every aspect of the vehicle has been carefully maintained to create a show-quality appearance combined with serious performance capability. This Dart is intended for buyers who appreciate professionally built Mopar muscle cars and understand the value of quality craftsmanship. The seller is seeking serious inquiries only and encourages interested buyers to request additional information directly. This exceptional Dodge Dart offers a rare combination of show-winning appearance, supercharged performance, and collector-level presentation that is difficult to duplicate today. 7. 1980 Buick Regal Pro Street. Price, $13,000. Located, Milton, Ontario. The 1980 Buick Regal Pro Street is an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts looking to complete a serious performance build without starting from scratch. This fully built back half car has been professionally prepared with a 4-link rear suspension designed to handle substantial horsepower while providing excellent stability and traction. Included with the sale is a powerful 427 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine along with a dependable Powerglide transmission, giving the next owner a proven combination for both street and strip use. The drivetrain has not yet been installed, allowing buyers the flexibility to finish the project according to their own preferences. The package also includes headers, driveshaft, and additional components necessary for a complete installation. Finished in white, this Regal offers the aggressive appearance that has made G-body Pro Street builds increasingly popular among muscle car enthusiasts. The seller describes the vehicle as a complete project with quality performance parts already included, making it an attractive alternative to building a race-inspired car from the ground up. This Buick represents outstanding value for anyone seeking a solid Pro Street platform with premium components and significant performance potential once completed. 8. 1986 Ford Mustang Dragroller. Price, $22,000. Located, King, Ontario. The 1986 Ford Mustang Drag Roller is a professionally engineered race car built for competitive drag racing and proven performance on both slicks and radial tires. Constructed with a certified 7.50 chromoly cage and ladder bar suspension, this Mustang has recorded an impressive best pass of 4.42 seconds while consistently running in the low 4.40 second range with outstanding reliability. Race weight is approximately 2,650 pounds with the driver and no ballast, making it an exceptionally lightweight and competitive platform. The body features numerous carbon fiber components, including the hood, front nose, doors, and rear wing, while a lightweight fiberglass deck lid further reduces weight. Suspension upgrades include AFCO double adjustable rear shocks and Menser spindle mount front suspension for precise handling and maximum consistency. The seller includes crossmembers for both TH400 and Powerglide transmissions, allowing flexibility for future drivetrain choices. Although located in Toronto, delivery to the Buffalo area may be arranged. Additional wiring, electronics, racepack equipment, MSD grid ignition components, and accessories can also be purchased separately. This Mustang is an outstanding turnkey race chassis for serious competitors seeking proven performance and professional construction. 9. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $35,000. Located, New Tecumseth, Ontario. The 1979 Chevrolet Camaro is a beautifully prepared pro-street muscle car combining classic second-generation styling with an impressive collection of high-performance upgrades. Under the hood sits a powerful 426 cubic inch small block stroker engine based on a 400 block, delivering exceptional performance and strong acceleration. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a 3,500 stall torque converter, creating an ideal combination for spirited street driving and weekend drag strip events. A Caltrax suspension system provides outstanding rear-end traction, while the professionally installed 6-point roll cage adds both safety and structural rigidity. Finished in attractive blue with a black interior, this southern car has been carefully maintained and is described by the seller as exceptionally clean throughout. Significant time and money have been invested in the build, resulting in a reliable and well-sorted performance vehicle ready to enjoy immediately. The seller requests interested buyers to leave their name and contact number for a return call. This Camaro offers an excellent combination of proven performance, quality craftsmanship, clean presentation, and classic American muscle car appeal that is becoming increasingly difficult to find today. 10. 1971 Ford Torino 500. Price, $27,000. Located, Greater Sudbury, Ontario. The 1971 Ford Torino 500 is a well-preserved classic muscle car that combines timeless styling with a powerful big block engine and carefully selected performance upgrades. Finished in an attractive green exterior with a black interior, this Torino offers the perfect balance between classic cruising comfort and impressive street performance. Under the hood is a newly rebuilt 460 cubic inch V8 producing approximately 450 horsepower, complemented by aluminum cylinder heads, an aluminum intake manifold, a 750 Holley carburetor, and supporting components that provide strong and dependable performance. Power is delivered through an automatic transmission to a 4.11 Posey track rear axle equipped with strange axles for improved durability and traction. Additional features include power steering, power brakes, and a factory-style console shifter, making the car enjoyable to drive while retaining its classic character. The seller describes the vehicle as being in excellent overall condition and is willing to consider trades involving another classic car or vintage truck. Firmly priced before winter storage, this Torino represents a fantastic opportunity to own a powerful American muscle car that delivers impressive performance, dependable mechanicals, and unmistakable 70s styling. 11. 1969 AMC AMX. Price, $35,000. Located, Selwyn, Ontario. The 1969 AMC AMX is an extraordinary pro-street build that combines rare American muscle with exceptional craftsmanship and serious high-performance hardware. Powered by a supercharged 496 cubic inch Chevrolet engine featuring a polished Wian supercharger, dual 650 Holley carburetors, aluminum cylinder heads, MSD ignition, and Hedman headers, this AMX delivers incredible performance and unmistakable visual appeal. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 automatic transmission to a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.10 gears and strange axles. The vehicle also features a full tube frame chassis, for link rear suspension, chrome moly driveshaft, four-wheel disc brakes, new steering rack, and massive Mickey Thompson Sportsman rear tires mounted on polished weld racing wheels. Inside, the cabin includes Recaro seats, a Grant quick-release steering wheel, tilt steering column, full instrumentation, and a sound system for added comfort. The car is plated, insured, and ready to enjoy immediately. According to the seller, it has been professionally appraised well above the asking price and would cost significantly more to duplicate today. This AMX offers an exceptional opportunity for collectors seeking a rare, powerful, and professionally built Pro Street machine. 12. 1971 Plymouth Cuda Pro Mod Race Car. Price, $55,000. Located, Woodstock, Ontario. The 1971 Plymouth Cuda Pro Mod race car is a purpose-built competition machine designed for racers seeking outstanding performance and proven drag strip capability. Previously equipped with a blown Hemi-Lenco combination, the car now features a powerful 540 cubic inch engine paired with a durable 727 automatic transmission, creating a reliable turnkey package ready for competition. Built specifically for racing, this Pro Mod Cuda combines lightweight construction, race-oriented engineering, and high-performance components to deliver exceptional acceleration and consistent results. The seller includes additional spare parts with the vehicle, providing valuable extras for maintenance and future upgrades. Located in London, Ontario, the car is presented as a complete race-ready package requiring no major assembly before returning to the track. Its aggressive appearance reflects the legendary Plymouth Cuda heritage while incorporating modern racing technology and proven mechanical components. Whether competing at local drag strips or participating in organized racing events, this Cuda offers the reliability and performance serious racers demand. Combining iconic Mopar styling with a professionally prepared race chassis and powerful drivetrain, this Pro Mod represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts looking to own a competitive and highly capable drag racing machine.